How to delete old contact information from Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Talks. To delete old contact information from Instagram, open Instagram. On bottom right hand side of your screen, you can see this profile icon. So click on that. Now on top right hand side of your screen, you can see this hamburger icon. Click on that. Now click on account center located on top of your screen. Now simply scroll down to account settings and then click on personal details. Here in the middle of your screen, you can see this icon, contact info. So simply click on that. Here you will see all of your contact information that you have provided to Facebook. So simply select any contact information that you want to remove. So here I will be selecting this phone number of mine. Now click on delete number. Now Instagram will ask for your password to verify. So simply enter your Instagram account password and then click on continue. This is how you delete your contact information from Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.